Okay, so to start with, you need some footage with some audio with it. And as you can see, I have the footage I am focused on selected, and you can just select it and hit the letter G on the keyboard, or you can double click on it and then select audio gain. I think hitting gain is easy. So when you hit audio gain, it will be set to adjust gain by, but you want to set it to set gain to, and then now you can change it here. So you can either increase it if you want the volume to go up, or you decrease it if you want it to go down. So actually, let me bring this back to 0 and then play it and you hear. So I will change it. All right. Is that there are several other people. Okay. So let's increase the volume. So by selecting this clip and hit G and say we want it to increase by 20. That's a little high, but it's just for test. Is that there are several other people. Okay, you see that the volume has increased. The same way, if I wanted to decrease the volume, I can just say negative, then I'll put whatever number that I want to decrease it by. So let's say negative 17, some random number. And let me play it again. So you can see the volume is very low now. And yeah, that's pretty much it.